Hello friends, we are so excited to welcome you back to the next video training in the HPI series here at Indian Design League. HPI stands for High Performance Influencer और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे how you can craft a beautiful style statement and why mission statements are boring and must be eliminated. हम हैं Indian Design League, wherein we help experts and entrepreneurs to turn their specialized knowledge, talents and abilities into a career and business that works so that they can live a lifestyle that they want and achieve peace of mind, financial freedom and a career for life. Have you ever wondered how do you get your message out there? How do you create lasting impressions and make loads of professional connections? Have you ever struggled with creating a perfect style statement for yourself and your business so that you can impress a potential employer or land a new client? कभी आपने सोचा है how long should really a style statement or elevator pitch be and what do you need to say to impress and leave the other person wanting to know more about you? What's the simple framework जो आपको help कर सकता है in creating your own powerful style statement? Why mission statements are boring and must be replaced with style statements? What makes the difference between high performers and non-performers? And how do you monetize your brand and your business? आप चाहे job seeker हो या फिर एक entrepreneur, crafting a beautiful style statement is essential for your career. This simple yet powerful representation आपको देगा ज़्यादा confidence when meeting with prospective clients, whether in personal or virtually, attending online or offline networking events, or giving job interviews, or simply starting the conversation on a high note. स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट के बारे में बात करने से पहले एक बात जरूर याद रखिए. स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट का पर्पस है टू लेट अदर पीपल क्विकली नो व्हाट योर एक्सपर्टीज आर एंड हाउ यू कैन हेल्प देम. It's designed to ignite a two-sided conversation. So think of it in terms of baseball. If you pitch a baseball to someone, they are going to pitch it back to you. So you don't want to do all the rambling. You want to convert it into a two-sided conversation. Now, ज़्यादातर वीडियो ट्रेनिंग्स आपके लिए डिजाइन किए गए हैं to help you acquire new information. Some are made with hope that you feel inspired. Our intention goes far beyond that. We are committed to helping you get results. लेकिन इसके लिए आपको भी एक important task करना है. You must get rid of the top 3 excuses on priority. We have been guilty of committing these mistakes personally and have learned the lesson hard way. It's time to stop giving these excuses and accept full responsibility for everything in your life. We are not saying accepting more responsibility in your life is going to be a breeze. You are absolutely going to face roadblocks, frustrations, and failure. But if you take responsibility, pay the price, do what you know you have to do, and never give up, you will never truly face failure. We know every minute of every day there's a battle going on inside of you between doing what is right, hard and of value and doing what is easy, fun and of little or no value. Let's have a deeper understanding of these top 3 excuses, take charge and become a superior person whose life is full of success, achievement and victory. पहला excuse, I don't have the time. Imagine आपका डॉक्टर आपको फोन करके बोले that you have a rare life-threatening disease. Full recovery का एक ही चांस है. You must sit quietly and uninterrupted for 2 hours a day, 7 days a week for the next 3 months. No smartphones, no social media, no television or computer time. Just 2 free hours a day without interruption, or your life will come to an abrupt end. How would you do it? What changes would you make to create 2 free uninterrupted hours each day for the next 90 days? सोशल मीडिया के फीड्स देखना और ईमेल चेक करना, क्या ये सब इम्पोर्टेंट लगेगा? सच बताइए, अगर बात आपकी लाइफ पर अटक जाएगी तो you'd absolutely find 2 free hours per day. If you need one last push to carve out 2 free hours a day, here you go. If you had to find the time, you would. Wouldn't you agree that experimenting with just a few of these ideas, even for just a few weeks, could open up a fresh perspective on how you spend your time? अब जब टाइम वाले एक्सक्यूज से निपट चुके हैं, तो लेट्स टैकल मनी। दूसरा एक्सक्यूज, आई डोंट हैव द मनी। टोनी रॉबिन्स का एक कोट है, वन ऑफ द फेवरेट, इट्स नेवर अबाउट योर रिसोर्सेज, इट्स अबाउट बीइंग रिसोर्सफुल। ये वो फिलॉसफी है जो कि सारे एक्सक्यूजेस में एप्लीकेबल है, स्पेशली बिजनेस। शुरुआत एक क्वेश्चन से, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली डू यू बिलीव यू नीड मोर मनी फॉर? क्या ऐसा पॉसिबल है? You might be able to get to your end result without paying full price or any price at all. जैसे आपको लगता है कि आपको पैसों की जरूरत होगी कोई नया स्किल सीखने के लिए या फिर करियर शुरू करने के लिए, लेकिन ये जरूरी नहीं है। आज हमारे पास इंटरनेट है जिसकी मदद से हम कोई भी नया स्किल सेट वर्चुअली डेवलप कर सकते हैं, ऑफन फॉर फ्री और इफ नॉट फ्री देन फॉर अ नॉमिनल इन्वेस्टमेंट। Robotics, programming, maths, negotiation, statistics, design, knitting, all online. The amount of high-quality education available online through apps, videos, podcasts, blogs, and massive online open courses is staggering and constantly growing. शायद आप अपना बिजनेस चालू करना चाहते हैं। Do you think you need piles of cash to get your company off the ground? 10 साल पहले शायद, आज वक्त अलग है और दुनिया भी। जब 2005 में अमित, द फाउंडर एंड चेयरमैन ऑफ IGL ने अपनी जर्नी की शुरुआत की थी एज एन एजुकेशनलिस्ट, ही स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम स्क्रैच। ऐसा कोई साउंड बैकग्राउंड भी नहीं था कि घर पे पैसों का पेड़ लगा हो। ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी, सेविंग्स अकाउंट में सिर्फ 27 रुपए थे जब उन्होंने अपनी वाइफ के साथ इसकी शुरुआत की। लिटरली विद नथिंग बट टोटल अबंडेंस। His dad always taught him and shared with him stuffs like follow your dream, believe in yourself, stay connected with each other and help each other, and always believe in love. Just as everything in life that grows is a result of a seed, the same is true for our dreams. Dreams ही तो हैं आपकी success के starting point. They are the seeds of success. If you take a corn seed, plant it and water it daily, it will grow into a corn stalk. If you take an acorn, plant it and water it daily, it will grow into an oak tree. ये हमारे सपने के लिए भी सच है। If you can conceive the dream in our mind, plant it in our heart and water it daily, then it too will grow. How do you water it? ये तभी possible है जब आप baby steps लें and work towards your dream every single day. Plant your dream deep, water it daily, and don't let the weeds of excuses choke it. And your dream can and will become a reality. Entrepreneurs can bootstrap almost any business, especially if they have no choice in the matter. In fact, we have been asked a version of how can I start my own business if I don't have money? इसका सबसे सिंपल और एग्जैक्ट आंसर है by learning the art of bootstrapping. That's it. We have covered a detailed module on the art of bootstrapping in the High Performance Influencer Training Program, and there you can learn how you can start and build a business simply with a great idea and almost no money. ये मॉड्यूल एक्सप्लेन करेगा इन डिटेल्स हाउ टू सर्वाइव द क्रिटिकल कैपिटल डिप्राइव्ड अर्ली डेज ऑफ एनी स्टार्टअप्स एग्जिस्टेंस by picking the right business model, making cash king, getting into the market on real-time basis, and taking the blue pill. Companies such as Dell, Apple, Microsoft, and eBay all started with a bootstrap model. और ये मॉडल किसी भी स्मॉल बिजनेस ओनर और एक्सपर्ट को हेल्प कर सकता है to get going immediately. It's an immensely valuable module that has been made available for access and download to all the students who enroll with us for any one of our career programs offered by Indian Design League. You can simply go to your membership portal and watch the module there. Keep bootstrapping. Happy bootstrapping. Now coming back. मान लीजिए आप एक बिजनेस लॉन्च करना चाहते हैं that does require capital like a manufacturing industry or a production house. If you are determined, creative and relentless enough, there are a host of ways to get the financing you need. You need to explore every legal and ethical options. But if you're committed, you will make it happen. Excuse number 3. I don't know how. I don't know where to start. No matter what it is that you want to learn, your answer likely already exists. किसी ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम, बुक, बिजनेस स्कूल या फिर इन सम फॉर्म ऑफ मीडिया कहीं ना कहीं तो एक्सप्लेन किया होगा ही. Or it can be learned directly from the other person through a training program, class, tutoring, mentorship, etc. Or you might arrive at a wow moment through meditation, prayer, journaling, or even a spontaneous insight in the shower. आज के टाइम पे इंफॉर्मेशन की कोई कमी नहीं है. Once you commit and get started, use every idea in this video and the rest of the modules of high performance influencer to keep going until you figure it out. The art of eliminating excuses means embracing the fact that your dreams aren't made or broken by anyone but you. No one knows who you are and that's just fine. Being obscure is a great position to be in. Be happy you are in the shadows. यही तो टाइम है मिस्टेक्स करने का without the whole world hearing about it. Keep tweaking. Work out the kinks. Test random ideas. Try new things. आपको कोई नहीं जानता, so it's not a big deal if you mess up. Obscurity helps protect your ego and preserve your confidence. Retailers experiment with test markets all the time for this reason. When Patanjali thought about selling Ayurvedic and natural product, it test marketed the products at many locations across the nation and it was a huge success. ऑनलाइन बिजनेस ही ले लीजिए. कई सारे इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स ई-कॉमर्स के थ्रू इंडियन मार्केट को टेस्ट करते हैं और उसके बाद ही मार्केट में बड़े लेवल पर लॉन्च करते हैं. पिछले 4-5 सालों में 100 से ज्यादा इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स ने ई-कॉमर्स प्लेयर्स के साथ टीम अप किया है. सबसे पॉपुलर एग्जांपल है चाइनीज मोबाइल ब्रांड Xiaomi, जिसने फ्लिपकार्ट के साथ टाई अप किया था. जब पहली बार ये आइडिया आया ऑफ इंडियन डिजाइन लीग एंड एडटेक ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी टू एडुकेट जनरेशंस ऑफ फैशन डिजाइनर्स, इंटीरियर डिजाइनर्स, इवेंट मैनेजर्स एंड एस्पायरिंग प्रोफेशनल्स, एक्सपर्ट्स एंड एंटरप्रेन्योर्स विद एन ई-लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म टू ideate, design and learn, we created the first set of value videos to offer and went through the 3-step process of innovation, quantification and orchestration. पहले हमने इसे अपने स्टेक होल्डर्स और एग्जिस्टिंग फुल टाइम फैकल्टीज के साथ टेस्ट किया और फिर we took it to our first batch of students. That's innovation, which simply means we are trying something new for the very first time. और फिर हमने फीडबैक्स और इनपुट्स के साथ एनालाइज किया as to how we can further improve upon the quality and value offered in the videos. That's nothing but quantifying the results. आसान शब्दों में कहें तो you can call it measuring the results. And then after gaining enough positive feedback and traction, we orchestrated. That is, repeated the process and ultimately launched Indian Design League amongst you all, teenagers and youth. Would you want the whole world to watch you the first time you do anything? अगर आपने कभी स्पीच दी नहीं तो आप नहीं चाहेंगे कि आपकी फर्स्ट स्पीच 10,000 लोगों के बीच हो. You don't want everyone to watch you starting your business. It makes no sense to tell everyone to look at you if you are not ready to be looked at. इसीलिए हमेशा अपने आइडिया और ब्रांड को 3-step प्रोसेस, इनोवेशन, क्वांटिफिकेशन एंड ऑर्केस्ट्रेशन से लेकर जाना बहुत जरूरी है बिफोर फाइनली लॉन्चिंग इट इन द ओपन मार्केट. And keep in mind that once you do get bigger and more popular, you are inevitably going to take fewer risks. When you are a success, the pressure to maintain predictability and consistency builds. आप कंजर्वेटिव हो जाते हैं और रिस्क लेने में भी मुश्किल आती है. That's when things start to fossilize and change becomes difficult. अगर लाखों करोड़ों लोग आपका प्रोडक्ट यूज कर रहे हैं, then every change you make will have a much bigger impact. Before you might have upset 100 people when you change something. Now you might upset thousands. You can reason with 100 people, but you need right gear to deal with 10,000 angry customers. These early days of obscurity are something you will miss later on, when you are really under the microscope. Now's the time to take risk without worrying about embarrassing yourself. Always remember the secret recipe. Start small and make it big. एक बात है जो शायद ही आपको पसंद आए, but you know what? You hate it or you love it. सच यही है कि दुनिया में बहुत सारे लोग हैं बहुत सारे आइडियाज के साथ. You are not the only one. हाँ, पहले के जमाने में डेयरिंग कम थी, हिम्मत कम थी और ऑप्शंस भी, बट द वर्ल्ड हैज चेंज्ड एंड इट हैज इवॉल्व्ड। 2018 में इंडिया में 50,000 स्टार्टअप्स थे। Around 8,900 to 9,300 of these were online and technology-led startups. 1,300 new tech online startups were born in 2019 alone, implying there are 2 to 3 tech startups born every day. पूरे वर्ल्ड में आज इंडिया थर्ड लार्जेस्ट स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम है। तभी तो जमाना स्टार्टअप्स और एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का है, और इसीलिए कंपटीशन की इस भीड़ का आप भी हिस्सा हो। सो इट वुड पे टू बी स्मार्ट एंड स्टार्ट विद योर स्टेप्स टुडे। Close your eyes and think about once your business is launched and you have a brand, how will you serve your customers? What kind of meaning would you see your organization making? Most people refer to this as the why or mission statement of an organization. Mission statement को craft करना is usually one of the first step entrepreneurs take. Unfortunately, ये process काफी painful और frustrating experience होता है, जिसका result भी exceptionally mediocre है. This is almost inevitable when a large number of people are commissioned to craft something designed to make an even larger number of people that can be your employees, shareholders, customers and partners happy. The fundamental shortcoming of most mission statements is that everyone expects them to be all-encompassing. नतीजा एक लंबा, बोरिंग, कॉमन और पॉइंटलेस जोक। बट यू नो व्हाट, फॉर्चून फेवर्स द बोल्ड। इसीलिए हमारी एडवाइस होगी आपके लिए, जो कि आपकी लाइफ आसान कर देगी। पोस्टपोन राइटिंग योर मिशन स्टेटमेंट। जी हाँ, जब आप सक्सेसफुल होंगे, आपके पास पैसा होगा और टाइम भी, आप तब अपना मिशन स्टेटमेंट तैयार कर लीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस टाइम पे आपकी कंपनी को मिशन स्टेटमेंट की नहीं, स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट की जरूरत है। लास्ट वीडियो में ही एजुकेशन बेस्ड मार्केटिंग के बारे में हमने बात की थी एंड कैसे आप अपने ब्रांड को लॉन्च करने के लिए मैसिव वैल्यू ऐड कर सकते हैं, जिससे आप अपने कंपटीशन से कहीं आगे निकल जाएंगे। Don't be concerned as we get into marketing. You have to be a great salesperson. Marketing is just teaching. Then essentially all marketing boils down to this one phrase, और ये फ्रेज आपके दिमाग में रजिस्टर हो जाना चाहिए। इस फ्रेज की आपको प्रैक्टिस करते रहना है ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन, बिकॉज पीपल विल आस्क इट फॉर यू। सिनेरियो नंबर 1, आपको एयरपोर्ट पर एक प्रोस्पेक्टिव क्लाइंट मिला। आफ्टर एक्सचेंजिंग प्लेजेंट्रीज, उन्होंने आपसे पूछा व्हाट योर न्यू कंपनी डज। You open your mouth and then pause. Where on earth do you start? जब तक आप कुछ सोचते और कहते, his flight is called and he's on his way. If you had been prepared, we are sure that he had have stayed long enough to schedule a meeting. ये एक सिचुएशन है जहां स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट होना आपके लिए जरूरी है। स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट इज अ शॉर्ट, pre-prepared speech that explains what your organization does clearly and succinctly. Scenario number 2. When you go to a conference and somebody says, well, what do you do? How do you respond to that? Scenario number 3. When you meet your prospective client or future employer in an elevator, and let's say the elevator is going to go from ground floor to the 10th floor in 30 seconds, how do you spark a conversation with the other person in a way he feels interested in listening to you and wants to know more about you? Scenario number 4. When someone comes to your website and they say, I wonder what this person does, how do you respond to that? A style statement, or sometimes also referred to as an elevator pitch, is a brief persuasive speech that you use to spark interest in what your organization does. You can also use them to create interest in a project, idea or product, or in yourself. A good elevator pitch should last no longer than a short elevator ride of 20 to 30 seconds, hence the name. It should also be interesting, memorable, and succinct. It also needs to explain what makes you or your organization, product or idea unique. इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे how to craft a beautiful style statement by vis-a-vis an effective elevator pitch. But before that, let's understand when you can use a style statement. कुछ लोगों को ये लग सकता है कि ऐसी चीजें सिर्फ सेल्स पर्सन के लिए ही है, जिन्हें अपने प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विसेज को पिच करना पड़ता है, लेकिन आप इस स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट या एलिवेटर पिच का यूज बाकी सिचुएशंस में भी कर सकती हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल, you can use one to introduce your business or brand to potential clients or customers. You could use them in your organization to sell a new idea to your CEO or to tell people about the change initiative that you are leading. You can even craft one to tell people what you do for a living. You can use one while giving an interview or while creating your promotional material or sales brochure or a website. राइट पिच के लिए आपको थोड़ा टाइम लग सकता है, बहुत अलग अलग वर्जन्स भी आपको तैयार करने होंगे, तब जाकर आपको एक वर्जन मिलता है that is compelling and that sounds natural in conversation. Follow these steps to create a great pitch, but bear in mind that you will need to vary your approach depending on what your pitch is about. We always believe in teaching through frameworks, as then the knowledge and wisdom gained can remain permanent in your mind and you can customize and tweak it as per need anytime at your end in future. The simple yet elegant and effective framework is: my name, I help, do or understand, so that. Step number 1, identify who you are. The name. आप अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन से एज इन योर नेम एंड डेजिग्नेशन से शुरुआत कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हाई, आई एम अमित एंड आई एम द फाउंडर एंड चेयरमैन ऑफ इंडियन डिजाइन लीग. Brief, simple and straightforward, right? Step number 2, whom do you help? Specific audience. जब आपने अपना नाम और डेजिग्नेशन शेयर कर दिया, the next step is to figure out whom do you help. The place to start and one of the keys to create intimacy is to get very specific about who you will speak to in your marketing. In other words, आपको specific audience choose करनी पड़ेगी. Specific audience is the most important, most misunderstood concept in marketing and business. हालांकि ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझना बहुत जरूरी है to attract people to you and your products and services. So, in the previous example, hi, I am Amit and I'm the founder and chairman of Indian Design League, where I help experts and entrepreneurs. That's the specific audience in the equation, experts and entrepreneurs. Whom do you help? Is it small business owner, married women, career counselors, college-going students, single women, mom, interior designer, builder, architect, Bollywood fashion designer, movie director, producer, event manager and professional? So that's your target audience. Makes sense, right? I help X audience. Who do you help? I help experts and entrepreneurs. You might help women. You might help new marketers. You might help youth understanding finances. You might help who? Step number 3, explain what you do. The solution you offer to solve their top of the mind problem. एक बार जब आपने अपना नाम, डेजिग्नेशन और स्पेसिफिक ऑडियंस की इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर कर दी, how you would like to serve, अब फोकस करना है on the problems that you solve and how you help people. A top mind problem is one that your specific audience is conscious they have. One that currently keeps them anxious and up at 2 a.m. every night. Marketing mastery हासिल करने के लिए you must be able to talk from perspective of your potential client, ना कि अपने perspective से. This means knowing and naming the solution you can offer to solve the top of the mind specific problems your specific audience has. खुद से ये सवाल पूछिए as you start writing. What do you want your audience to remember most about you? For example, hi, I am Amit, founder and chairman Indian Design League, wherein we help experts and entrepreneurs to turn their specialized knowledge, talent and abilities into a career and business that works. That's the solution Amit offers to solve his specific audience's top of the mind problem. Another example, I'm Anisha, an expert fashion designer where I help young women to understand how they can become more stylish and elegant. I'm Ashwini, an ace fashion stylist. I help young unmarried women to enhance their beauty with trending styles and bespoke clothing which complements their body type. I'm Deepti, an expert fashion designer currently working with Mr. Manish Malhotra, where we help brides, grooms, and young women to become more stylish and elegant by giving them a complete makeover, develop their personality, and understand their inner beauty. Hi, I'm Amit, founder and chairman Indian Design League, wherein we help teenagers and youth to understand how they can get paid as fashion designers, interior designers, jewelry designers, event managers, animator, graphic designers, image consultants, and entrepreneurs. Step number 4. Communicate the strategic benefit. What's in it for me? What do you want your audience to gain and benefit as a result of investing in your product or services? सबका फेवरेट चैनल है विम. What's in it for me? What are the benefits that they'll receive once they invest in your product or service offering? Example के तौर पे मैं हूँ अमित, founder and chairman Indian Design League, wherein we help experts and entrepreneurs to turn their specialized knowledge, talent, and abilities into a career and business that works so that they can live a lifestyle that they want and achieve peace of mind, financial freedom, and a career for life. यहाँ बेनिफिट काफी क्लियर है फॉर द ऑडियंस, दैट्स यू. ये बात याद रखना जरूरी है कि आपकी पिच पहले आपको एक्साइट करे. आफ्टर ऑल, अगर आपकी पिच आपके लिए एक्साइटिंग नहीं होगी तो फिर आप अपनी ऑडियंस को भूल ही जाइए. योर पिच शुड ब्रिंग अ स्माइल टू योर फेस एंड क्विकन योर हार्ट बीट. People may not remember everything you say, but they will likely remember your enthusiasm. I'm Anisha, an expert fashion designer where I help young women to understand how they can become more stylish and elegant so that they can reflect their unique personality and move closer towards fulfilling all their dreams and desires and ultimately be successful. I'm Ashwini, an ace fashion stylist. I help young unmarried women to enhance their beauty with trending styles and bespoke clothing which complements their body type, so that they can live an abundant life with dignity. I am Deepti, an expert fashion designer currently working with Mr. Manish Malhotra, where we help brides, grooms, and young women to become more stylish and elegant by giving them a complete makeover, develop their personality, and understand their inner beauty, so that they can gain self-confidence in their life and look beautiful and elegant in their wedding and day-to-day life. Okay, you got it, right? I help X do or understand Y so that Z, where Z is so that they can do what or have what. In other words, that's their benefit, right? Hi, I am Amit, founder and chairman Indian Design League, wherein we help experts and entrepreneurs to turn their specialized knowledge, talents, and abilities into a career and business that works so that they can live a lifestyle that they want and achieve peace of mind, financial freedom, and a career for life. Okay, I help who to understand what so they can achieve or have what. That's the essence. I help X understand Y so that Z. इस बात का ध्यान रखना जरूरी है. And we guarantee if you're watching this, maybe 1% of people in the world have this. इस इक्वेशन के पीछे का Y जानना भी आपके लिए जरूरी है. खुद को एक्सपर्ट के तौर पर प्रेजेंट करने के लिए you should begin with this. यही वजह है कि हमारे सारे वीडियोस begin with Hey, it's Indian Design League, wherein we help you, the person I'm talking to understand how you can become a highly paid expert, a fashion designer, interior designer, event manager, or an aspiring entrepreneur so that you can get your creativity out there and help other people have financial freedom. Boom! कुछ ऐसा ही आपको अपने वीडियोस के लिए करना चाहिए इन द बिगिनिंग और इन योर मार्केटिंग मैसेजेस, या फिर जब आप किसी से मिलते हैं एंड दे आस्क यू व्हाट डू यू डू on your website, on your brochures, on your business cards, in your presentations, and in your speeches. जब आप अपना स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं, then put it all together. Then read it aloud and use a stopwatch to time how long it takes. याद रखिए, आपका स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट 20 या 30 सेकंड से लंबा नहीं होना चाहिए, नहीं तो you risk losing the person's interest or monopolizing the conversation. ऐसे में बेटर यही होगा that you cut out anything that doesn't absolutely need to be there. याद रखिए, your pitch needs to be snappy and compelling. So the clearer it is, the better. जैसे जैसे आपको स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट या फिर एलिवेटर पिच डिलीवर करने की आदत होगी, you will be able to vary the same as per the situation or the target audience. So remember to tailor your pitch for different audiences wherever needed. Example 1. Hi, I'm Amit, founder and chairman Indian Design League, wherein we help experts and entrepreneurs to understand how they can create, sell and serve online so that they can help more people and build a lifestyle that's incredibly abundant, creative and impactful. Example 2. Hi, I'm Amit, founder and chairman Indian Design League, wherein we help fashion designers, interior designers, event managers and aspiring entrepreneurs understand how they can become a high-performance influencer, learn the art of positioning, packaging and promoting their products and services online so that they can live the lifestyle that they always wanted to live. चलिए अब थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस हो जाए. Like anything else, practice makes a man perfect. याद रखिए, how you say it is just as important as what you say. अगर आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे तो मुमकिन ये है कि आप या तो बहुत स्पीड में बोलेंगे, you might sound unnatural, or you forget important elements of your pitch. अपने स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट को प्रैक्टिस करने का गोल सेट कर लीजिए. The more you practice, the more natural your style statement will become. ये एक smooth conversation जैसा sound करना चाहिए, ना कि एक aggressive sales pitch. Make sure that you are aware of your body language as you talk, which conveys just as much information to the listener as your words do. Practice in front of a mirror, or better yet, in front of your friends or colleagues until the elevator pitch feels natural. Even better, we want you to share the same in the form of text message below this video. और अगर पॉसिबल हो तो कैमरा उठाइए और वीडियो मोड पर अपना स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड करिए. Bring out your positive attitude as well and share it over an email to academics@indiandesignleague.com for personal feedback from our side on your style statement. All the best, folks.